Hello! Today we're going to talk about The Wonderful Wizard of Oz.
I'm for big crochet.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today a very short video about this book I found, Crochet Stories. In this case about The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, with all the favorite characters: Dorothy, the Tin Man, the Cowardly Lion, and the Scarecrow, and little Toto, of course. Let's take a close look. This is the back. You can have the house even that is landing in Oz after being in the great tornado. These are the housemates in Kansas. Here's little Dorothy with Glinda the Good Witch, and of course little Toto on the yellow brick road. And here she is with her friends, the lion and the Tin Man. And here's the cutest flying monkey you've ever seen. It's so sweet. It's adorable with its little head. And of course here's another, it's not a very good photo, but you get an idea. The crown, Glinda with her beautiful eyeshadow, and it's very nice. So the link, as per usual, is below in the description. And as always, happy crocheting!